The Internet of Things involve a wide arrangement of thought which are convoluted and tangled from exceptional perspective. In addition, IoT includes various mechanical layers which are interfacing things and IoT devices to foster applications, programming that set up an unmistakable goal regardless of whether it's for end-client application or industry-grade IoT projects. Internet of Things is a tremendous organization of connected contraptions which accumulates and stocks information broadly how they are utilized and their environmental elements wherein they work. IoT presents a typical stage for the entire of the gadgets. IoT are also outlines colossal data from devices, application and customers which should be regulated in a viable way.
Mobidev is a customer-focused mobile and web development outsourcing firm. Since the company inception in 2009, the company has established their mission as producing functional software that generate return and additional income for their customer. Mobidev's stable core acquires expertise and incorporated fresh resource to expose their potential and innovation in software development. There are qualified professionals in each area of competence. For the company from 12 countries across the world, the company accomplished over 100 demanding and successful projects, including a number of long-term clients in the USA, Europe, and Australia. There are many specialties in the company. Among them, there are iOS apps development, Android app development, web application development, PHP development, Ruby development, NET development, Node.js development, Java EE development, JavaScript development, cross-platform development, and machine learning are all areas of expertise. Other than that, the company also designing IoT solution for the smart home ecosystem. There are many benefits when use IoT solution for the smart home. For example, it's bringing usability and gamification to your IoT device, enable connection and real-time communication across all channels.
IoT device and engage in decision-making process as smart home, smart city, self-driving retail, and manufacturing process use. AI is it becoming increasingly preferred in decision-making? Consider a factory with IoT connect assembly line that use AI visual inspection for quality control to lower the rate of manufacturing fault in the fabrication process. Smart workplace automation powered by the Internet of Things. When IoT technology is used in a smart workplace, it implies that numerous gadgets in the office are linked to the Internet and can be remotely. One of simplest and most cost-efficient methods to adopt IoT smart office automation is to use smart technology for climate management. Air conditioning and heating are controlled remotely and may be adjusted according to the time of day. Companies save money with smart office security solution. IoT-based smart office security system go beyond merely managing cameras remotely. Determine who has entered a facility where a person is and how many people are in the office using voice and facial recognition. Analytics for IoT. When it comes to adaptive IoT analysis, having a plan may assist ensure the project success depending on the sector and the organization unique demands. There are a variety of approaches to use IoT analytics. Encourage staff to take advantage of IoT data analysis by doing their own investigation into what can be learned from the data and how it can be used. There are, however, solutions available to assist in providing access to all decision makers and stakeholders.
The Internet of Things or IoT has an impact on everything around us. IoT is pervasive in our daily lives, from the way we use our phone to the ability to activate rice cooker from work. IoT implies connecting all of the world things to the internet and allowing them to be governed by computer. The IoT sector has grown significantly from portable device to a business that might benefit a large number of people, especially in the cities. In Malaysia, the government is trying to implement an IoT device in a metropolitan region such as Kuala Lumpur that provides critical accurate data on citizen mobility, noise and other sort of environmental degradation. Smart cities are the result of iterative process that connects the many elements and application of the Internet of Things. The goal of Smart City Malaysia is to solve urban concerns and challenge in order to achieve the three primary pillars of a competitive economy, a sustainable environment, and an improved quality of life. The desired outcomes of the Kuala Lumpur Smart City Master Plan are derived from the 7 strategic components identifying during its development, such as smart economy, smart living, smart environment, smart people, smart government, smart mobility, and smart digital infrastructure. Compared to Singapore, they have implemented a diverse spectrum of smart technology in both the public and private sector. Contactless payment technology has been widely deployed in order to efficiently guide movement and payment for Singapore 7.5 million public transportation passenger, compared to Malaysia only 1.26 million in 2018. This shows that the people in Singapore are more likely to use smart city wisely, and indirectly they become a top 10 country that is known as the best smart city. In conclusion, smart cities are a new development trend that is being witnessed in several nations throughout the world. Amsterdam, Barcelona, Seoul, Stockholm, Singapore, Phuket and Jakarta are among the cities that are actively adopting smart city initiatives.
In most emerging nations, Malaysia is additionally a South Asia country that utilizes agribusiness. What we can be sure that agribusiness is significant financial movement for discretion, decrease and range. IoT-based savvy horticulture in Malaysia intends to work in the rural area. Malaysia has chosen to execute insightful agribusiness through the Internet of Things (IoT) development, which is an imaginative course of action that helps commonplace farmers with chipping away at their arraign in various ways. Contrast with Thailand, in 2016, they presented Thailand 4.0, a financial model intended to make Thailand out of the certain pay trap. For agribusiness, Thailand 4.0 has 7 cranes expanded in reaches normal yearly pay for 56,450 bahts to 390,000 by 2037. In conclusion, smart agriculture is another advancement pattern that is being seen in a few nations all over the planet. Next, the development of shared agribusiness in the country in an arranged, incorrupted, and complete way is vital to guarantee that nature process the direction of worldwide metropolitan turn of events.
In conclusion, Internet of Things is an approaching innovation that takes advantage of the web to control or screen gadgets, autos and other actual things related to the web. IoT gives client the capacity to control more than computerized things simply over the digital world. From the writing survey and the contextual analysis, it tends to be reasoned that the specialists all assent that the IoT will enormously affect what is to come. Also, from the writing audit, it as of now shows that the associate client experience is basic for the organizations, and the organizations can make benefit of this information in the incipient product development. Progressively, agents and designers center around exploring imaginative IoT projects that could help the people and the general public.